Hi guys, welcome to my channel again. My name remains Chris Obi. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to earn in Mandarin Plaza. Remember in last video, we went through how to register an account in Mandarin Plaza. If you have not watched that video, please go to my channel, you will see there. Watch it to avoid mistake. Then here, I'm going to show you how to earn. Once you log in with your password and phone number, this is where it will land you. This is the home page of Mandarin Plaza. Okay, you see the balance sliding, and if you look at the bottom of your laptop or your phone, anyone you are using, you will see home, affiliates, tax refund, VIP, and the me. This is your profile. Okay, so before you even talk of earning, what are you going to do? First of all, click on this me. Click on this me to show you your dashboard. This is my own. You can see my balance here. Okay, so what I want us to see here is the wallet management. How to enter your wallet so that they can easily transfer your money to you. So click on wallet management. See me, I have added my own wallet, TRC20 USDT. That is the only address that is accepted in this platform. If you put ERC20, it will not be accepted. Once money is sent there, the money will be lost. You put BEP20, the money will also be lost. What they require you to do is what? Add your TRC20 USDT wallet. And where do you get this? You get it from your Trust wallet, maybe your Binance account, or any crypto wallet you are using. In my case, I'm using Trust wallet, but because I use system to record this video, I cannot access my Trust wallet to show you how to see it. Just go to your Trust wallet and search for TRC20 USDT wallet. You see it there. You see other ones, but one that's required is TRC20. Okay, get it. Let me show you how to add it. I've added one. Click on add wallet. Okay, you can see the only one you can see here is TRC20. That's only what you can see. So say enter your wallet address. So you copy your wallet address and enter it here. Enter it here again and click on confirm. And that is it. You have added your wallet. Now, to start earning, you go to tax refund. Click here. Okay, you see all this. They might not be useful to you because maybe you are a free user. You are still in VIP 0. Click on VIP 0. You see it is only one that's available for VIP 0 members. Click on buy. Okay, today is sold out because me, I have done today's task, so I cannot do it again. See it. So after clicking here, it will say successful. You now come to this last tab here, completed orders. You click on it, and here you will see that same icon is on in the VIP 0 order, and you will see settlements. Click on that settlement, and your money will be added to your dashboard. That is how to earn in Mandarin tax refund. Okay, one way to increase your earning substantially is being an affiliate. What does that mean? Referring your family and friends to also register. with your unique affiliate link. How do you do that? You come to the bottom of your phone or your laptop, whichever you are using. Come there, you will see affiliate. After home, affiliate, you click on affiliate. Okay, and to show you this place, you can go through the rules and you click on this share to get your affiliate link, and this here is your affiliate link, and simply click on copy it and share it with your friends and ask them to register, and that you'll be earning more in this platform. Thank you and God bless you. See you in the next video.